First, we need to connect the 24 volts to switch box. This is the grounding. Then the source to reconnect to the normally close. The normally close.
Alam ko na hindi ka na
To the input one of the PLC. And will connect to the ground. Then the source will connect to the dump and the out. Then the output. Then we will connect to the output of the PLC. Then the COM will connect to the